Step one was to buy a welder. We didn't know we were welding yet, but we knew we wanted a welder, so we bought a welder. Here it is. Here's Troy with a welder. Here's Troy leaving with a welder. Oh, here's another welder. Oh, Michael likes a welder too. Look at that. Everybody gets a welder. Next step is to figure out what the fuck we're doing with a welder. So we decided to draw some pictures. As insufferable engineers, we decided the best idea was to deprive gardeners of the pleasure of gardening by building a robot that waters and maintains plants for them. Instead of talking about our welds, I think we should really talk about the real achievement, which is the fact that we didn't burn the garage down. And then we had to actually build a robot part that watered the plants. So here's us organ harvesting a Keurig, and here we are taking the pump out, and then testing the pump to make sure it actually pumps and spins. So of course designing the rack and pinion for the robot to move, and a little bit of a back to square one whiteboarding, going back down and testing the pump. In a second I'm about to suck on the pump trying to prime it through a fish tank tube that we had lying around, and I get a mouthful of fishy water. Watch it happen, real time. Ready? Oh man, that sucked. That tasted nasty. And then of course we decided this is a good time for a caffeine break. So here we are going to Giant, finding a caffeine. Ah, there we go. Perfect. All right, great. Get back in the car. All right, let's get out of here. Nice. Got the caffeine, got the goods. So this is the reason I'm awake right now, is because of this caffeine run. Anyways, with enough caffeine to kill an elephant, we decided to get back to work.
I wonder if it'll work without the hoses. Oh, okay. Let's go.
Nice.
Oh yeah, pumping away, baby.